Hello there, my name is Mia and I make videos on food and travel. In this one, I'm at Park Inn by Radisson in Clark, Pampanga. First, I'll take you on a quick tour of their small but satisfying breakfast buffet, and then we'll see what their superior room has to offer. So hang around as I show you this gem of a place in Clark, Pampanga. This area is the granola station, where they have an assortment of grains, nuts, and dried fruits. Milk options include full cream, low fat, and almond. Next to it is the bread section, with your usual fruit jams and butter. A well-equipped coffee station. This section has soup and instant noodles. And next to it is a fruit and salad station, and a selection of cold cuts and cheeses. There's yogurt and the condiment section. Breakfast staples like pancake, French toast, and bacon. And of course, Filipino breakfast of turmeric rice, veggies, scrambled egg, boiled egg, corn on a cob, pork sausages, chicken afritada, and beef with gravy. And last but not the least, an egg station where they cook according to your preference. This is the dining area. This is the room assigned to us for 1808. They're just on the 4th floor. You have your switches right here, and then okay, this is the bathroom. You have your mirror and your sink and shelf at the bottom. Then you have your enclosed shower area, the overhead and the telephone shower and your toilet. And then here, ta-da, you have your full-length mirror, and then a TV, a small desk, a chair, and your bed with light switches and controls on the side. An open type clothes rack with motion sensitive lighting, and there's also a coffee station, safe, and a fridge. Again, we're on the 4th floor and our view is not really sure the dogs area. This hotel is located right behind SM Clark, which means plenty of shopping and restaurant options, access to public transportation, and area coverage by ride-hailing service Grab. Thanks for watching. Until we meet again, love and light, Mia.